Hey, what's up? I'm gonna show you how to make a chicken casserole that takes less than 5 minutes to put together. It's got 5 ingredients. My family loves it, so let's get started. All right, first, 1.5 cups of elbow noodles, 1.5 cups of milk, 2 cups of cheddar cheese, 1 can of cream of mushroom soup, 1 can of chicken breast drained. Chop this up just a little bit. In it goes. Of course, you can use rotisserie chicken if you like. And we have a few spices, salt and pepper, onion powder, and some dry mustard. By the way, the entire recipe is in the description. Next, let's give this a stir. This is super easy. We usually eat all of this because we are all big fans. So easy. This recipe has saved us many a nights when we don't know what we're making. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. Okay, we're going to pour this into a 9x13. All right, in the oven it goes at 350 degrees. And we'll have it cook for 1 hour. All right, it is done. All right, let's plate some up. Smells amazing. Let's give it a try. All right, let's give it a try. It's gonna be plenty hot. That is so good and so simple. Something me and the boys have done. You can kind of turn this into a Buffalo Chicken Casserole. Just add a little bit of buffalo sauce and it changes it up, and it is oh so yummy. I like this better than a plain, but anyway, thanks for watching. Give this a try and let me know what you think.